How to change your video language to any language on CapCut. So as you guys can see, I found a video right here. It's about motivation and stuff. And in today's video, I'm going to teach you guys how to change the language. So what you have to do firstly is you're going to have to click on the video. Then once you click on the video, it should take you to this page right here. Make sure it's on audio. Then once you go to audio, it should be the second option. Now from here, you're going to have to scroll down until you find video translator. Then once you find that, you're going to have to click on that. Now from here, you're going to have to translate from. For this, make sure this is English if you're speaking English in the video. If you're speaking Spanish, you could also put Spanish, whatever language you're speaking in the video. Right now, they don't have much options, but they have the most popular ones. So if you're speaking Chinese, it's here, Spanish here, Japanese here, all the popular ones. Now right here where it said translate to, they're slowly adding all the other languages. So if you don't see your language here, just wait a few days. They're going to add it slowly. But for now, for the sake of the video, I'm just going to click on Spanish. Now you have to click on apply, click on allow. And as you guys can see right here, it said uploading your media. After a few minutes, my video just got uploaded to Spanish. So I'm gonna play the video for you guys real quick.
Por un día sentiste adicción, no sentiste grasa, sea lo que sea, a nadie le importa, hermano. Arruinaste algo que no puedes cambiar. ¿Sabes?
So this sounds pretty fire. I like it. This looks normal to me. You know what I'm saying? And this is the original video. As you guys can see, the translation is super fire. Completely valid. This is the original video.
Messed up, now what? Doesn't matter what you messed up.
So it went from English to Spanish. You could put other languages like Japanese, Chinese, whatever you guys want. But that's how you change your language in CapCut. If this would have helped you, make sure you like, subscribe, and leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching.